Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix security violation error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it's not running or restart your PC. DiscSoftLTD Daemon tools. So if you're getting this error, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. First fix is to close Daemon tools from system tray or task manager. So click on the arrow icon in the system tray, and if Daemon tools is running, then right click on it and select exit to close it. Close Daemon tools from task manager. Open task manager. Now look for Daemon tool services running in the task manager. Right click on it and then click on end task. Keep a note that if you find any services related to Daemon tool services running in the task manager, there could be more than one. So close all of them and then launch the game and check if the error is solved or not. Fix 3. Close Daemon tools from device manager. Right click on Windows and select device manager. Now expand storage controllers. Right click on Daemon tools and select disable device. There will be more than one Daemon tools over here, so disable all of them. Next, expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click on Daemon tools and select disable device. Now again in universal serial bus controller you can find more than one Daemon tool, so disable all of them and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to uninstall Daemon tools from PC. Now if your problem is not solved yet, then in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on uninstall a program and then look for the Daemon tools and uninstall it from your PC. Then you have to restart your computer and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you were able to solve this error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it's not running or restart your PC. DiscSoftLTD Daemon tools error in EA Sports FC26. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.